Okay, so my dad made a remedy for a cough using a onion, cored out, and he put like lemon, honey, and salt.
Using an onion and some, what's inside there?
Honey,
Honey,
lemon juice,
lemon juice,
and salt.
salt.
And he cooked it. I'm gonna try that out right now. So I already cored out the onion, and I'm gonna add some honey, and then I'm gonna put it on the stove. I added some salt in there too, because that was a part of the instructions. I put the foil around it just to reduce any mess that might happen. He didn't say how long to cook it for, so I don't know. We'll just wait and see. I don't know if it's ready, but I think I'm gonna call it. It's been a while. Liquid's like lukewarm, so let's just turn off the heat and see. But I think it's that. Medicine's not supposed to taste good, but we'll see if it works.